How long does it take here in Nevada to resolve a pedestrian injury case from someone who's been hurt and injured by a car that ran into them? Very good question. And as with most cases, they can be resolved in a relatively short period of time, or it could take years. And how is it that some cases can be resolved in a relatively short period of time, but other cases take years? It depends on the facts of the case and how hard the insurance company and the insurance lawyer is fighting it, how bad your injuries are, and what the extent of your damages are. If you were hit by a car and you only had sprain, strain type of injuries, you might only need to go to a chiropractor for 6 weeks to a couple of months. Then your claim can be resolved after a couple of months. But if you were hit by a car and you've been seriously injured and you required surgery and ongoing care, and you have future care, that is the type of case where you really can't even evaluate the value of your claim until you have a clear picture of how badly you were hurt and what the extent of your recovery from those injuries is going to be and what the residual effects are going to be going into the future. And that may take a year and a half of medical treatment and analysis to figure that out. And then if we have to file a lawsuit, it could take another year or 2 years before your case is resolved at trial or settled. So it's on a spectrum, on a scale that depends on a lot of things. The nature of your injuries, how long it takes you to get better, how bad or how tough the insurance company is going to fight it. But here's the thing. Unless you have an attorney who has experience in dealing with these kind of cases and who is a trial lawyer, that the insurance company knows their reputation and respects their abilities and knows that if that case is not settled, that you will be ready, willing, and able to take that case to trial, they're not going to settle it. So here's what you can do to make sure that your case is resolved as soon as possible. Get a lawyer who knows what they're doing. Get a lawyer who will do the hard work that is required to prepare your case. And through preparing your case, the chances are greatly increased that it will settle in a shorter amount of time. If you have questions, give me a call. I'd be glad to talk to you.